What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Feature Tech. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to reset your Anker Soundcore 1 and Soundcore 2 Bluetooth speaker. Now, before we get deep into the video, make sure to subscribe for more awesome and helpful videos like this. Let's get into it. To begin resetting your speaker, you want to make sure that it's first turned on, and you can do that by just holding the power button for 1 second. As you can see, it is blinking. Once it is blinking, you can then go up here to the Bluetooth button, and you're going to press and hold for about 20 seconds. So let's do that now. Once you held the Bluetooth button for 20 seconds, then you have to power off the speaker. So you can do that by pressing the power button again for 1 second. And as you can see, it's turned off. That means that it's fully been reset. So this was my video on how to reset your Anker Soundcore 1 and Soundcore 2 Bluetooth speaker. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. Hope you have a great day. Take care.